Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to transfer money from Coinmarketcap to Cash App. To transfer money from Coinmarketcap to Cash App, you could follow the steps. But before that, make sure that you have the information of the recipient or the Cash App. Now, to begin with, open up your browser and type in coinmarketcap.com and enter in your credential and log into your account. Once logged in, it's going to take you to the home page, which will look something like this. While you're on this page, what next you want to do is go to the profile or go to the profile section from the top right. And next thing you want to do is open up your Cash App in a browser, or you could just go ahead and find out the information. Or you could open up your Cash App in the web browser, or you could just open up the information. After which you want to do is click on create profile in the left hand side corner, and then you'll be able to see a pop-up menu where you can see connect wallet, add transaction manually, or connect Binance. Here you want to go ahead and click on connect wallet. As you do that, you have to go ahead and enter in the information manually, and once you've actually done it, so you could go ahead and then transfer the amount. So this way you'll be able to transfer money from CoinMarketCap to Cash App. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.